Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're gonna be learning the short English summary of the poem Pratibha Ka Mool Bindu, which is of first PUC Hindi. In this poem, the poet Dr. Prabhakar Machve analyzes the source of genius and where it comes from. The poet wants to know where genius is born, in places, on carpets, on a bed of roses, in the anxiety of elderly, in the shouting of the excited cry of children. The poet wants to know where genius lives. Then the poet himself says about genius that she is the queen of the daydreams. The artist points towards a lump of clay and says that that is genius, and the painter gathers his instruments to produce something artistic, implying that genius is in it. The singer says that genius lies in the divine voice. Does only imagination qualify as a genius? Is genius the delicate fairy of braided thought? Can only novel astonishment be called genius, or is it a productive technique? Is genius the language of the tantrics, or is genius the verses of the theoreticians? Is genius the chemistry of perception, or is it the quivering fish in deep waters? Then the poet receives an answer from genius itself. Genius herself says that she lives in unending difficulty and suffering. She lives in the tireless believer who constantly battles to move ahead in the life, and she lives in people who undertake such difficult tasks as standing on the sharp edge of a sword.